So I'm constantly asked about field sobriety evaluations and how I can possibly help someone that has failed the fields. The answer to that is that I don't have any confidence in the field sobriety evaluations from a scientific viewpoint. And what I mean by that is when the field sobriety evaluations were studied using the scientific method and using scientific analysis to decide whether or not they're accurate at predicting a blood alcohol level or impairment, the scientific study that was peer-reviewed and published was conducted by Dr. Spurgeon Cole. In that study, 46% of people with no alcohol in their system ended up failing the field sobriety evaluations. As you can imagine, that is an unacceptable level if we're talking about proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Dr. Marceline Burns has even testified to that in court, and she's the government's counterpart to Dr. Spurgeon Cole. She's agreed that the 46% error rate is too high. And that is the best scenario of explaining what I mean by field sobriety evaluations being inaccurate. When 46% with no alcohol in their system are failing them, then clearly they're not very good at doing what they're supposed to do. So when I'm facing failed field sobriety evaluations, I want to evaluate whether they were done correctly, and if they were done correctly, I still don't think they're valid and accurate at predicting impairment.